In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and export your Zoho emails, an essential skill for anyone who wants to keep their email data secure and easily accessible outside of Zoho. We'll walk through each step clearly so you can follow along without any hiccups. Let's begin by logging into your Zoho mail account. Once you're logged in and can see your inbox, we'll move on to the next step. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear symbol and will direct you to the settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your email account. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a range of options. What you're looking for here is the Import/Export Emails section. Click on that to access the tools you'll need for backing up your emails. This section is designed specifically for exporting and importing emails. Therefore, it's the perfect spot to perform our backup. Next, you'll notice an option labeled Export as EML. Selecting this option will trigger the process for exporting your emails in the EML format, which is widely compatible with many email clients and storage solutions. Before proceeding with the export, you need to decide which emails you want to back up. To do this, you'll select a folder from your email account. This could be your inbox, sent emails, or any other folder you've created. After choosing which folder to export, you have the ability to further refine which emails are backed up by selecting an export date range. This feature is extremely useful if you're only interested in saving emails from a specific period, perhaps for a project or for archiving purposes. Finally, once you've selected the folder and the date range, you can initiate the export by clicking on the Export as EML button once again. What happens now is that Zoho will compile your messages into EML files based on your specified criteria, ready for download and external backup. It's really that simple. By following these steps, you've successfully backed up your Zoho emails, safeguarding your valuable information while ensuring you have access to your communications at all times. Remember to regularly perform backups to keep your data updated and protected. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Until next time, keep your data safe and your inbox organized.